Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Akko Year of the Snake keyboard. It's a 68-key Alice style keyboard with tri-mode connectivity, a rapid disassembly aluminum case, and custom Snake Zodiac keycaps. There's 3 options available, priced around $230, and I have the green snake prototype version in this video. Included in the carrying case is the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, a Type-A to Type-C coil cable, an acrylic wrist rest that has the same angles as the keyboard, and the keyboard itself, which is really heavy, weighing just over 2.6 kilograms or 5.8 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has an Alice style layout that is angled for better ergonomics and has some RGB shine-through diffusers, the on-off switch located under the caps lock key, 4 macro keys on the left side with the indicator lights, a light-up serpent eye in the middle on the front, the Type-C port in the middle on the back, RGB lighting on the sides, and 4 non-stick feet on the bottom with a huge mirror finish PVD weight in the middle. Besides that, the keyboard comes with this custom Snake Zodiac theme cherry profile die-cut PBT keycaps that matches with the keyboard, Akko Cobra linear switches that are pre-looped and have a deeper poppy sound, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers with no rattle, a silicone spring-mounted plate for a bouncy and responsive typing feel, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB. Diving into the components, the case uses a bulkhead structure for easy assembly and disassembly. With the case open, there's 2 cables for the antenna and the daughter board connected to the PCB that needs to be disconnected before the plate and PCB can be removed. Next, there's 8 silicone pillars for mounting the plate and 2 pieces of sound dampening mods. There's also 4 screws holding this angled metal piece that tilts the PCB for better ergonomics. So in the bottom case, there's 2 batteries which are 8000 mAh in total connected to the daughter board in the middle, the serpent eye LEDs mounted here, the RGB lighting on the sides with the wireless antenna, the standoffs for holding the plate and PCB, and the bulkhead structure on the sides with the force brake mods. Carrying on to the plate and PCB, the 2 pieces are connected through this ribbon cable and there's 4 screws holding each plate and PCB together. With the screws removed, the PCBs can be taken out as well as the mods in between here. There's 3 on each side, which includes a Poron plate foam, an IXPE switch pad, and a PET sheet. As for the software or driver, the keyboard supports the Akko web-based driver. With this, you are able to remap the layers and keys, set the debounce time and sleep timer, bind to selected keys, remap the function layers and keys, import and record macros, configure the RGB lighting effects, color brightness and speed, make your own custom RGB lighting effects, configure the side RGB lighting strips, load previously saved configurations, share and view what the community has done with their own keyboards, log in to save and access previous files, and update the firmware and software for the keyboard. For the performance, the keyboard is great for typing and work with its ergonomic layout. This split Alice layout allows for comfortable typing and gaming for long periods of time. It does take some time getting used to, but feels awesome once you get to know the layout. Gaming-wise, it's excellent as well, as there's no need to tilt your keyboard for better grip of things. Plus, it also has a polling rate of 1000 Hz for low latency gaming. Anyway, that was everything about the Akko Year of the Snake keyboard. Now it's time for the typing sound test. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Akko Year of the Snake Alice keyboard. Overall, it's a premium and solid keyboard with great ergonomics. Priced at $230, it's definitely on the pricier side, but with the materials, components, and mods included, you're really getting what you pay for. The CNC aluminum case looks stunning with its bold design, and the bulkhead structure makes this assembly super easy. On top of that, you get tri-mode connectivity, nice RGB integration, and a poppy sound profile, making this truly a unique keyboard. Plus, with the web-based driver, you can easily customize the keyboard with any operating system. So if you're interested in the Akko Year of the Snake keyboard, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Akko for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.